If we had to make a list of people who are bullish on India, Tim Cook, Apple's CEO, will definitely feature on that list. Now, we have all heard of Cook's optimism on the Indian economy and how the country will be a key market for the iPhone manufacturer going forward. And Cook reiterated that optimism during Apple's earnings call last night. He mentioned that the Indian markets grew in double digits during the quarter, and the revenue for the March quarter also hit a new record for Apple. Apple CEO also said that India is an, I quote, an incredibly exciting market and a major focus for Apple, end of quote. Now, Cook also spoke about the need to be manufacturing in the country in order to remain competitive in the market, and he said that they are manufacturing in India as of now. Now, while Cook sees enormous opportunity in India, he said that Apple is working towards expanding its channels and working on a developer ecosystem. He also spoke about the growing base of developers in the country in the earnings call. Now, aside of the Indian economy, when you come to Apple's earnings, they were not as bad as the street was fearing. The company reported a 4.5% drop in overall sales, but that turned out to be better than what the street was fearing. The other key takeaway was the fact that iPhones still continue to contribute to more than half of Apple's overall sales. Apple has not launched an iPad since 2022, and those sales remained sluggish during the quarter. However, the company is planning on launching a new iPad on the 7th of May, so we'll keep an eye out on that date. Now, reports have been around about the fact that Apple sales have struggled in China, yet it managed to register sales that were better than what the street was fearing in the world's second largest economy. But what actually spurred the stock in after hours trading was the fact that it announced the highest quantum of a share buyback in the history of the United States. Now, Apple plans to repurchase shares worth $110 billion, which surpassed its own record of $100 billion, which it had announced in 2018. In fact, if we take a look at the top 10 buybacks in US history in terms of size, the top 6 belong to Apple. Among the other 4, 3 of them belong to Google's parent Alphabet, and Chevron also makes an entry in that list with a $75 billion buyback that it had announced a few years ago. So, bullish commentary all around for India from Tim Cook. Investors would surely hope that the apple of Cook's eye emerges as a major sales destination for the world's most valued company.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go.
Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC-TV18, now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.